Alright, so after that disappointing autumn moon, Trish and I got this bonus.
What?
Look it! The rockets blow up those and they get bigger each time. Look at that.
I don't know what happened. Now what's going on?
Now we push that start button to get the bonus, Trish. Hit it! Good. That's going to blow up the 100. Alright, keep hitting it, Trish. Good. Nice one, Trish. Alright, hit it again. Get some more rockets, Trish. That's what we want. Oh, last spin. Come on, save it. Save it, Trish. Didn't save it. That's a good win, though. $405 win. A happy little family.
Oh, that's cute.
All right.
Now what?
Let's play some backup spins down to 400.
All right, ready? Go.
Hit it again, Trish.
I need to clear here.
Oh. Is that going to be over 5? Yep. You get to go up a bit. Hit that 10. Let's get a bonus on 10. Nope. Get it? Nope, didn't get it. Oh, come on. Get it? Oh, we missed it by 1, Trish. I know. We got those peaches. Oh, we got fish. Oh. We got fish again. Still didn't go over our $5 win. Nope. Yeah, the babies will come out on here too. I don't know what they're waiting for. Come on. Oh, missed it by 2. Come on, 3 more. Darn it. 2 more spins. Oh, more than 2 more. All right, last spin. All right, not bad. Quadrupled that one on this game with the little kid.